How to clean your bird feeder. Dirty bird feeders aren't just ugly. They can be a bacterial breeding ground, spreading harmful diseases among birds. In order to keep your bird feeders safe and clean, you should wash your seed feeders at least once a month to prevent the buildup of bacteria or mold. Clean your hummingbird feeders once a week, twice if it's especially hot and humid. Let's get started. Step 1. Scrape away leftover seed and debris. Start by disassembling your bird feeder if possible. Many Droll Yankees bird feeders can be disassembled by removing just a few bolts. A ring pull feeder can make disassembly happen in seconds. No tools required to disassemble this hummingbird feeder. Scrape out the old seeds. You can get a brush, like this one, to make cleaning super easy. Step 2. Scrub and soak your bird feeder. Use a utility tub or bucket filled with hot, soapy water to disinfect the hardware. Avoid washing in your sink or dishwasher. Wash any plastic pieces with a 50-50 solution of hot water and white vinegar. Make sure you thoroughly rinse your feeder with water afterwards to get all of the soap off. Step 3. Sanitize your bird feeder. Next, use a solution of 9 parts water to 1 part bleach and scrub your feeder with a brush, letting it soak for 10 minutes. Rinse your feeder with water and let it air dry. Step 4. Reassemble and refill your bird feeder. Put your bird feeder back together and refill it with fresh bird seed. If you have trouble remembering to clean your feeder, try to do it on the same day each month. For more bird feeding tips and advice, visit DrollYankees.com.